everybody? Where's everybody?
They have been taken care of along with the rest of your cabinet.
What? Where's my loyal subjects? Where's my cabinet? Where are you? My cabinet? My loyal subjects, where are you? Where are you? Come back! I need you!
Would you like to join them?
What do you mean? I'm the leader of this country and president of the 8th grade camera club.
You are not a president. You are nothing but a puppet ruler.
Me? A puppet ruler? I don't believe it.
I can make you do anything I want. Absolutely anything. I can make you dance.